Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. Hope you are doing well. Some people like mountains and there are people who like beaches. How about we come to a places where we get both the beaches and mountains? Yes, welcome to Visakhapatnam, the oldest port cities located in the heart of Indian state Andhra Pradesh. There are a lot many things to do in Vishakhapatnam or Vizag. It is also called the gem of South India. If you not yet subscribe to our channel, do subscribe and like and share our videos. Today our first stop will be Kailasagiri. As you can see the mountain over there, that is Kailasagiri. You can go to Kailasagiri by your car or by steps, but we want to experience the view from top, so we are going through ropeway. So after parking our car, we took some stairs and come to the ropeway point. So right now we are waiting in ropeway queue. They charges 180 rupees for both sides. So now it's our turn. I am very excited to go there. The experience of taking a ropeway while enjoying the breathtaking view of the city is something that everyone should cherish. This city is commonly known for its serene landscape. It's a nice experience. You can have a beautiful view of Vizag city, RK beach and whole sea line. The distance is very short, but for the view it is worthy. So we come to the top of the hill and now I am standing in front of the gate. Let's go inside. In the entrance, you can find number of stores. They are selling printed photos, jewelries and toys. The major attraction of Kailasagiri is this 40 feet tall Lord Shiva and Parvati statue. Kailasagiri name derives from these statues, which is the abode of Lord Shiva and Parvati. This park contains 380 acres of land and is totally plastic free. The gardens are well organized with trees and flowering plants. Many sitting areas are also there, so you can enjoy the view by sitting in the lap of nature. Another interesting thing is the toy train, which give you a circular tour of the whole park, and this is thoroughly enjoyable among all aged people coming here. But due to some technical issue, the train service is not available for today. This place is indeed a good place to hang out with friends and family. I recommended you to come before sunset to enjoy the mesmerizing view from here. There are small cafeterias where you can find good food options also. Now it's time to going down and our next stop is in Rishikonda Beach. So next we are heading to Rishikonda Beach and it is almost 10 km away from the city. There are another route to reach Rishikonda Beach, but one of our friend recommended us to take this route. One side of the road is the sea and other side is the mountain. The journey through the carved roads around the hill is also equally enjoyable. So we are in the entrance of the beach. Too much crowd is there. This beach is widely known for its golden sand and tidy waves of Bay of Bengal. With its vast stretch of water, Rishikonda Beach is perfect place for enjoying water sports. It's evening time. People is sitting on the side of the beach, relaxing, enjoying the beach view. Now we are going back to hotel. After freshen up, we will come back and visit Submarine Museum. So guys, let's meet in the Submarine Museum. Vizag is known not only for its beautiful beaches but also for a variety of other attractions. The INS Kursura Submarine Museum is one such location. This submarine museum is located in Ramakrishna Beach and is Asia's first and world's second submarine museum. This submarine is built in 1969 in Russia. It arrived in Vishakhapatnam in 1970. The entry fees for adult is 40 rupees and for children it is 20 rupees. And you have to pay for your camera separately. This is a torpedo. Now let's get inside the submarine. There are 7 compartments in this submarine. Now we are in the first compartment. This is a torpedo room. You can see there are 6 torpedo tubes. They used to put the torpedo inside the tube and then they fire. Also there are some water mines. Total there are 22 torpedoes in a submarine. 18 torpedoes are in the front compartment and 4 are in the back compartment. Now we are going to the second compartment. This is radio and communication room. Just opposite of that there is captain's cabin. His bed, desk and the stuff he used is kept here. Next, this is the crew cabin where they used to take rest. This is the dining area for the sailor. This submarine sailed with 73 crew members and this is dining area for all those people. Now we are entering third compartment, which is command and control module. This is navigational room. They use this room to navigate the submarine route. Let me show you some interesting thing. By using this ladder, the sailor enter to the submarine. This is the actual entrance. Using those control panel, they can control the submarine direction. You can see the black plastic cover. That one is periscope. Using that, they can spot the enemy ships. periscope is used in submarines to determine the distance of a torpedo and helps in deciding the right time for the attack. This is the command desk of submarine. Those mic are connected internally with torpedo room and engine room. Now we are moving to compartment number 4. This is basically a sonar room. By using those equipment, they used to spot the enemy's ship or underwater submarine. For that, they used high frequency sound wave and Doppler effect to spot the enemy position. You can see this is another cabin and it is underwater diving chute and contains a breathing gas supply also. It is the kitchen of submarine. The only restriction of submarine is that they can carry food only maximum 60 days at a time. So this is battery and fuel indication compartment. When submarine is underwater, they use only battery power to sail. There are 7 battery units in this submarine. Now we are in compartment 6, which is engine room of submarine. As you can see, it is main diesel engine of submarine which is used for propulsion and battery charging. Also, there are separate engine for backup and emergency purpose. This is toilet and wash area, but at the time of cruising, they are not allowed to take shower because of lack of fresh water. This is 7th and the last compartment of submarine. This compartment contains backside 4 torpedo tubes, fresh water generator and air refining system. This is the actual waterproof door between two compartments. But for looking at the walking comfort of tourist, Museum Authority removed it. INS Kursura Submarine is well known for its participation in India-Pakistan War in 1971. It served the country for 31 years and after completed its lifetime, it converted into a museum in 2001. Just opposite to submarine, there is a naval aircraft museum. Now we are going there. Tu142 Aircraft Museum timing is 2 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So we have only 30 minutes left to visit that. Let's go quickly. Inside, as you can see, there is only one mammoth-sized aircraft, which is Tupolev 142, and it belongs to Indian Navy. The entry fees is 70 rupees for adult and 30 rupees for children. Audio earphones also available in many languages and give you information about many things. This Tu-142 aircraft mainly used for aerial and underwater observation of enemy ships and submarine and also used to destroy the target. As you can see in the display section, there are different types of ornament like sonobuoy, anti-submarine missiles, propeller, RGB. Basically, sonobuoy is a device which is deployed using a parachute. Once it reaches the water, it will locate the underwater submarine and pass the information to aircraft. Then, to destroying the target, they might use anti-submarine bomb or RGB. This aircraft also contains oxygen tanks, black box, fire bombs, and Doppler radars. All this equipment and parts of the aircraft are displayed in details so that you can get enough information about the aircraft. This aircraft was made in Russia and served 29 years for Indian Navy, and then it converted to museum. Is 50 meters long and maximum takeoff weight is 90,000 kg. Range is 12,500 km and top speed is 925 km. You can see those are naval operators. They used this equipment to track and destroy the submarine. Every details of the aircraft, everything that happens in it is shown there. There is a display of how it destroys the target with good presentation. The engine and each of the every part is safely secured and displayed. There is also a honor board which displays all the medals that this aircraft got. This is a masterpiece from the Indian Navy. So either it is submarine or aircraft museum, we can't imagine how Navy men work under such difficult ambience. Like very little space to move, work, dine and sleep. How difficult life for them. A big salute to our and Navy people for their dedication towards our country.